Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download WorkDay application on your iPhone. To download the WorkDay application, the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now launch open App Store. In the search box, type in WorkDay and search. Look for this application from the search result and tap on the Get button or the Download button to start downloading WorkDay application on your mobile device. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. WorkDay application is designed for employees of companies that use WorkDay as their human resource and finance platform. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button and then sign into your WorkDay account for existing users, and you will be able to access your WorkDay account right away. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.